But we are still dealing with some chipping problems as a nation. Conditions today are as chalk and cheese to what they were 6 years ago. It is worth mentioning that General S.K.P. Cooking was one of the freedom fighters who toppled the apartheid government. Today, he is a part-time councillor with the eThekwini municipality for Ward 51, which is Phoenix Environment. A member of the International Union for the Conservation of Nature. He is passionate about one home, one garden. And he is also a chairperson of the school governing board at Durban Girls Secondary School. On a personal note, we have 4 wonderful adult children and beautiful grandchildren of whom he is very proud.
But life has been tumultuous for him. He has faced the gallows in the high treason trial. There's been exile, been jailed, been tortured in so many indescribable ways. But he also became a general in the ANC military MK wing. But one way or the other, he has gone through many vicissitudes in the struggle against apartheid and the draconian laws in the apartheid regime.
His father was a fair and honest man who brought up his children in a strict manner. When the city fathers decided to clean up Cato Manor, Kikina's family was moved to Wamash. They were no longer close to amenities such as shops and transport. SKP missed the warm and friendly days in Cato Manor, when they played happily together with children Indian. That is where he learned to speak Hindu and Gujarati.
General Kikin was born into poverty. He only had his first pair of shoes when he was 18 years old. His mother originally came from Indawa, in Headquarters district, 30 kilometers away from Eppenberg. His father came from Dorchester. When he arrived in Durban, he found work in factories, and he built his home in Cato. Together with his wife, they started a family.
In Cato, General Kikine could see how unfair life was, especially on African people. Through past laws. That's how his interest in a trade union developed. In 1961, he joined the African National Congress Youth League, and in 1962, he volunteered to be an MK soldier under Commander So.
In the late 60s, SART was formed, and it was an open alliance of the ANC. SART was so popular, so much that the ANC president, Chief Albert Luthuli, would tell the workers who joined the ANC to join SART as well. Tati haula kono kono, uzividele. The workers became chameleons. During the day, they would wear overalls and become workers. In the afternoon, they removed the overalls and become they joined the progressive unions opposing the racist regime.
Membership.
South African Allied Workers Union.
Full name.
SKP Kikina.
Position.
General Secretary.
ID number.
480805 5596086.
Avikho sekre sikhathi esifikele sona. Awubheke, abasinikile ngisho nanomakalaka yena imali.
Yes, Mzabuzela. Buka nje. These working conditions are not conducive for human beings.
Niyabona madoda, nathi sine-right ukuthi sibatshele nabaqashi bethu ukuthi impilo zethu zisengozini. Niyezwa manje?
Hayi kodwa nduna ngoba phela nale mali esisebenzelayo kayikho.
Uqinisile umfowethu. Wamadoda, yabona ukusebenzela. Kunabelungu esenza umsebenzi ofana ngamashina. Kodwa abantu banenkulu ngathi. Iqiniso naleli. Nyamazana.
Usikhulele semnyama, phela ngene bandle. Ngobona simelana bro. Thank you. Ndona ungambuzenga wakathetha. Umfazi wabana kuba komendo wathi uphula ngokhuza yonke. Thank you comrade.
Nathanda Nkosi yami. Uncede zithathe. Kaloku ayisonditha. Yo. Olokolo amangolo.
Amanda. Makabani. Zawuthula Nkosi sekelela iAfrika.
Come on.
Usisikeleni Afrika, maluphakanyiswe uhondo lwayo, yizwa imithandazo yethu, Nkosi, sikelela thina lusapho lwayo, uzamsikelela, Nkosi sikelela, uzamsikelela, Nkosi sikelela, uzamoya, Nkosi sikelela thina lusapho lwayo, morena kuluka sitshaba sethu, umfenise kintswele matswele, sibuluke, sibuluke, sibuluke morena, sibuluke, sitshaba Yesu, sitshaba Afrika,
ukufika kwenu kulo mcimbi kuyakhombisa ukuthi niyasibona isidingo sokuthi singabantu abamnyama singabasebenzi sibambisaneni esilweni nobandlululo. Makomrade komele umuntu akusho lokhu ukuthi we are aware ukuthi njalo ngoba sihlezi la endlini zikhona njalo impimpi zamabhunu. Sithi masiqeda lapha zotela amabhunu ukuthi bekhulunywani komhlangano. Makomrade niyazi ukuthi amabhunu ngeke aphumelele ukuhlakaza impilana yethu i-South African Allied Workers Union. Siyazizwa nje indaba makomrade ukuthi amabhunu asehambe egugisa abantu manje ebatshela ukuthi ama-headquarters sawo aleko iSlanda kanti angeke ungazi ukuthi ama-headquarters enyunyana yethu akhona lapha eThekwini. Namhlanje sinenhlanhla yokuthi kulo mhlangano wethu sizo-adresa omunye wezikhulu eziphezulu zenyunyana. Ngikhuluma lapha nge-South Founder, i-High Citizen Silence, ukomisara uGeneral SK Bhikiki. samlinda ngengoma.
Njalo komndeni.
Kunemiko engemihle esesiyitholile ngezimvo ezenziwa amabhunu ne-esikandani. Kodwa ke lokho ngizodedela u-organizer wethu waseSouth asazise ngalethekelele esiyizwa amabhunu.
Indaba zishekela langaphandle. Njengoba sazi nje comrades ukuthi uComrade Eric Ntonga ukule wanyamalala ngezinsuku ezintathu ezidlule. Indaba lezithi kusetholakele kunjalo comrades. Kodwa ubuhlungu comrades ukuthi utholakale sebembulela. Asehliseni umoya akusizi ukusetshenziswa kwamaholo into esingayenza comrade kulo mzuzu wamanje ukuthi sicelebrate impilo ye-comrade Eric Ntonga.
Comrade.
uGeneral Kikine ngeke sakwazi ukuthi asi-address kumhlangano ngokuseqoqene ukuthi aphume ngobackground kanyamanayo makomrade siyayithola imika ukuthi njengoba sihlangane lapha ngaphakathi iy'mpimpi ze-CIA special grant bagcwele baphithizela la ngaphandle
Comrade.
The racist Pretoria regime is intensifying the war against the progressive labor movement. You will remember, comrades, who General Kikine has warned us for several times that it is dangerous for us to align ourselves with the CIA-funded union or ICFTU or WUSA. It is a well-known fact, my comrades, that the traditional Union Council of South Africa leadership is making draconian laws in parliament. Laws that are against the workers and the black people. Ngikhuluma ngomthetho o-Industrial Conciliation Act of 1956, in terms of which only blacks are forced to carry uJombas Makhombe. We are not allowed to swim at the beachfront or to use the parks and recreational facilities. Why, Makhombe? Because these racist unions, together with the racist government, have created the Separate Amenities Act. Masnasugum Makaba, the humiliation of workers will never stop. Whenever we try to negotiate peacefully, Magnus Malan and his killing squad always responded with gunfire. Your General Dikin has been harassed and detained by this government for several times. Party, I said to you, party, General Blood Party, CIA Party,
Come on, come on, come on.